Alright guys, so it appears as if high winds knocked out the KIG-86 transmitter. I just heard a voice for a second. For a split second. But yeah, this is happening on all my radios. This guy is not working. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys sit here and watch my video with me. Go insane about this. See, like, occasionally, I see them in outage reports on weather.gov. This is the first time in years that KIG-86 has officially, totally gone off the air. So I'm sure this has been I'm sure this happened because, of these little small outages recently that I've been for some reason happening, but I'm not sure why. But they come back on 5 seconds, but this has been happening for about 40 minutes now or so. So this is definitely a real outage. And there's also a high wind warning that is in effect for Franklin County, which is where the transmitter is. So, meaning that the wind most likely knocked out the transmitter. Keeps on pulsing in a consistent pattern too. So I'm wondering if they're trying to get it back on the air. So they might have some alerts to bring it out. In the meantime, I have no idea what the computer is to do IEM update. Let me see if my Radio Shack's still off the air and get signals from that statics. It stopped staticking now. It probably start in a second now. Yep, it did signal us. One time I did it for so long, it was long enough for the Radio Shacks to actually beep. That's one thing I really like about Radio Shacks. It tells you when there is a signal loss on the radio.